Hi, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com, here to demonstrate how to make a buttery nipple shot. Take your shaker, add some ice. The ingredients are butterscotch schnapps and coffee liqueur. You can use Bailey's. I'm sorry, not coffee, Irish cream liqueur, my fault. So you can use Bailey's, we're using McCormick's, and butterscotch schnapps. So it's 1 ounce of butterscotch schnapps and a ½ ounce of Bailey's or McCormick's. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I free pour. I'm pretty comfortable free pouring. I've tested myself on the tester. But if you're new to bartending, I highly suggest using a jigger, just until you get comfortable and you know your pours. So you've got your Irish cream and your butterscotch. You want to shake it so it's nice and cold. It's a creamy shot, not very high in alcohol content, but it is delicious. It's more of a niche shot. Nice and cold. And pour it into your shot glass. And there you have it, a buttery nipple shot. Again, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com. If you're interested in apparel like this, head over to bartendertees.com. We carry a full line of bartender t-shirts, tank tops, hats, sweatshirts, and hoodies, and accessories. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.